Applying a material in SolidWorks is an important step to finishing your part, and this gives us accurate results when evaluating the part. This can be done by right-clicking the material in the feature tree and selecting Edit Material. From here we have a list of drop-down menus. I'm going to select 1060 alloy and apply that to my chassis, and this appears in the feature tree here. When working in a multi-body part, we can actually apply materials to separate bodies within that part. So all I'm working with weldments here, it works exactly the same with any multi-body part. So I'm going to apply a steel to this roll bar, but I want to use our own custom steel based off values that we found in testing in our own labs. So to do this, I'm going to base it off ASI 1020, but because it can't be edited directly here, I need to make a copy of it. And I'm going to place this copy in our custom materials folder. Here we can type in all the material properties we've been given by our labs. I've saved that for use in the future, and we can see in our feature tree this body has this new steel associated with it. With the material applied, we can use our mass properties to find an accurate mass for this part. Any changes to the materials will also automatically update in any simulation studies that we've done.